man, we back. I'm finna show you how to do a brake drop in like 15, 20 minutes, man. Tap in. Always put an e-brake up when you jack the car up on the hill, man. You don't want that bitch rolling on you. Hey, Patrick Jackson. Brakes on these cars easy as fuck, so I'm gonna show y'all. Side swing. I'm gonna show y'all the trick. Grab a flathead. Go ahead and grab your tools ready too. Come here, come show you this, son. What you wanna do is you wanna find someone to pipe. Oh shit. And you see the caliper moving? This is an easy trick, man. All right, watch out. Wait. Hold on, man. Tripping. Oh, these hoes tight. Got me that 1116 over there. All right, man. Y'all see this shit turning? Sometimes when this shit turns, y'all gotta get another wrench to hold this bitch. I got the wrong one though. All right, we got the right one now, twin. Put that bit right there. Finna show y'all every step of the way. You know, some YouTubers be skipping this bit, but finna show y'all every step. See? Light work. Screw it. Once you get it loose, it's hand loosening. You can just do this with your fingers. That's why I love Hondas. I'm gonna show y'all why I love Hondas. Twin, what? You don't gotta take the top bolt out. Put grease on these hoes. You know, sometimes they be screeching. Let's help it a little bit. It just go right here, so it's not really on the brake pad for real. You know what I'm saying? That one in. You gotta look out for these. It's the brake warning clip. Like shit. See, look, my dumb ass put on the wrong side, but it's cool though. It's always going to the inside. Just like that. Special tool right here. Like that, ready to go again. That's why I do some most of the time. Grease these hoes up a little bit. Put that bit right here. Boom. And look, this is not me rushing, okay? Don't rush on your jobs. Once you rush on the job, you're gonna fuck up. This is like some casual shit. See it turning, you can hold it. There you go. Put the tire back on. Why he wilding out like that, son? It's just a 4-cylinder. And also, always throw your lug nuts in. Don't just shoot that bitch. You gonna fuck up your car. Shit. Oh, no, dude. I ain't losing, twin. All right, we're gonna let it down and go to the other side. Oh yeah, big shout out to my little big brother right here behind the camera. Show yourself, man.
What's happening, gang? What's happening, gang?
Twin, it's a big ass spider right here. Get this on camera. Oh shit! Oh shit, twin. Oh! Oh shit! I missed! Oh shit! Everything is content. Same exact thing on this side. Same exact thing. I'm probably the only mechanic you gonna see on YouTube with no gloves. Everybody wearing gloves. Give a fuck about no gloves. We got soap, son. Same exact thing on this side. Turn again. Just get that bitch. Ooh. That hole a little tight. It's cool though. Best turn on turn, man. What the fuck? This one give me a little tough time, but it's cool. Everything patience, you know what I'm saying? Never rush it. That's when pass me the brakes. Sometimes we don't put these on, because every time we put these bitches on, they be screeching. So, PSA. Screeching on me. It's right here. Had this tool for about like 14 years, 18 years. No cap. It never went out. Same thing. Grease them up. He good. I be fried. I been lean. Just like that. Back on. Yeah, that's how you do. That's how you do brake job. Any Honda. I don't want to say Silverado. Silverado different way. You probably gotta take both the caliper bolts out. But this is just any Honda, any sedan car. Yeah, Acuras, Hondas, all that. See what I'm saying? Never just shoot it. Do it with your fingers first. Now shoot it. And we don't talk shit around here. You see this gun, son? Just double tap that hole. Jeez. Tap in next video. Sideways. Yeah, after you do all that, always, before you take off on the car, always pump the brakes. If you don't pump the brakes, that bitch not gonna brake, son. Yeah, Jeez.